Hey, what's up guys? This short video, we're gonna change the air filter on a Audi A4 TFSI 2.0. So first we'll remove this one. Also we'll remove this one. Okay, make sure the engine is cold. And just push it like this. Okay, so once this is out, now we're gonna use the T30, and we have one right here, one right here, and two right here, and two right here. So we have to remove all of them. So you should change your air filter basically every oil change, I would say, or at least half a year. But again, it depends where you're driving. If you're in the city or you're living somewhere outside the city, there's a lot of dust. So right now all the bolts are out. Just take this one carefully out. Try not to get any dirt inside. Just put this one aside. And it's pretty clean. You can see that it's clean. So I clean my hands. Just take this one carefully. Oh, okay. So yeah, it's not good. So these are the numbers for the filter. It's an original one. We're gonna clean this one up. Okay. With this one, for some reason this one is smaller, but that's fine. So first thing, I would clean everything. No big deal, just clean it a little bit. Okay. Now we're gonna put the new filter in. It doesn't matter which way. Just make sure it sits right in place, and put this one back. Just like that. So now all these bolts are back. Make sure I put this one in place. Put it back. Don't do it too tight so you can crack the plastic. And don't forget about this one. You hear a click, that's it. So it's done.